Hey YouTube, it's that dude named Dave and welcome to my channel. And if you've been here before, welcome back. Before we get started here, we have to do my price of admission. Like, subscribe, and the bell notification below. Guys are watching my videos, but everyone is still not sub yet, so let me help you by helping me out here. Give you guys a few seconds to do this. Okay, we got out the way, no long intros. Today's video, we're coming back to support court. In this case here, we have the father taking the mother to court because he needs a reduction in support because his wage has gone down. So I don't think that she's gonna like this particular case here. So we're gonna get to the video and we're gonna try to make this make sense.
I'm trying to get a reduction in my child support.
Okay.
I recently been working and my wages has been reduced, so I want to see if I can get my child support reducted.
Okay. How much were you making?
Originally, about 100 a year.
All right. What are you doing?
I'm a restaurant owner.
Okay.
Okay.
So now, what are your wages looking like?
About yearly or weekly.
Yearly.
78. 70.
So from about 100 to 78,000. All right.
Let me stop here. That is a good reason to get your child support reduced, guys. This particular situation here, I know I'm pausing early. You're making 100,000, you drop down to 77, 78,000. That's $22,000 a year less that you're making here. So, before taxes, or post taxes, this guy, it's probably, after taxes, if you're a regular payroll job, bring home like $2,200 every pay period for every 2 weeks at 78,000. You're making 100,000. You're around like 2,700, give or take. So we're looking at roughly post taxes around $700 or $800 less a month. So guys, if you do make less money from your original child support, what do we say here? Hire a lawyer to go over all your finances and then bring it to the court here. Just wanted to point that out here. Let's get to the video.
Have you had to lay off employees or anything like that?
It's been hours been reduced.
Oh, okay. Okay. So it took a reduction in hours. All right. Is that it? You just want to reduce because your wages changed?
And I actually have a new wife.
Okay.
Congratulations.
And,
Congrats, bro.
and a newborn. On
Okay.
the way.
Oh, new baby too. Yeah, that'll do
I
it.
have more responsibilities I got to take care of.
You said you have a newborn. The child in this case, how old are they?
Which one? My newborn?
No, not your newborn, the child between the two of you.
4 years old.
4, boy or girl?
It's a girl.
All right. Your 4-year-old, who carries that child on health insurance?
Me.
How much
Got the
is it?
insurance.
430.
$430. Okay. You said you have a newborn, so is it $430 now with the newborn, or was it $430 before the newborn?
Before.
Okay. What is it now?
High insurance.
I haven't really checked, but I think it went up a couple of $100s.
Okay.
This is why you have an attorney. He went to case, he filed it on his own, and he doesn't even have his exact dollar amounts here. He should know how much he's paying for insurance for his kids. He should have all these things lined up here. Yes, it may cost you a little bit extra money to have a lawyer, but your lawyer will have all this documentation in place. He would have her information in place on how much she makes here, and then you can go forward here where the judge really have to ask you any questions. They can talk to a lawyer, and then they can go to you for direct information. So he's a little bit all over the place here, but I wanted to point that out here. Let's get back to the video.
Okay. So what are you thinking?
Maybe like 600. 6.
And is that for the whole family, or is that just for the 2 newborns?
2 newborns.
Okay. Well, not 2 newborns, the newborn and the 4-year-old.
Yeah.
Okay. So $600 just for them too?
All of us together.
Okay, so all of you together is $600. How many people are on that plan?
3.
Well, it can't be 3.
Yeah, it's me. Me,
No.
my son, my daughter.
You, your son, what about your wife?
Oh, she's not on that.
Okay.
We just recently been married, so we haven't switched things up yet.
Okay, how long have you all been married?
About 3 months.
Oh, okay. So yeah, you're
Okay, I could go with that here. I was gonna get on his case here, but you know what though, guys? If you get married, get that insurance taken care of right away. Why do you need to pay double coverage? Yes, when you add people to your plan, yours gonna go up, but it's not like you're paying multiple individual plans here. So it's only been 3 months. I get it. You know, the marriage is new, say 3 months here, but get that taken care of right away as soon as your insurance allows you to add a new person. He add the baby on there, so add your lady there. That way that she's not paying insurance and you have more money in the household. Let's get back to the video.
So it's about $200. If I take that 600 and divide it by 3, it's $200 per person. So for both kids, it'll be about $400. That sound about right?
Yeah.
Okay. So your wages decreased, health insurance somewhat increased. Okay. Is there anything else you want me to know?
Is there some more stuff you wanted to know?
Well, I mean, you came to court.
Uh-oh.
I mean,
Is there
pretty
more?
much- I mean, yeah, that's it. I mean,
Okay.
I've been married. I got a newborn. The restaurant haven't been doing so good, and I just need some help from y'all to help me reduce my child support.
He needs some help,
Okay.
y'all.
All right. Ma'am,
Yes.
is there anything you want me to know?
Yeah, actually.
All right.
Here we
Are
go,
you in
y'all.
agreement to his child support being reduced?
No, I am not.
Okay, tell me about
Of course
that.
she's not.
I think it is fine as it is. I don't want to fight to increase it. I think the payment you are paying me is enough. The restaurant that he owns, same business. I don't see there being any less business. The only hours that were reduced were mine because your wife is the manager.
Oh, wait a minute.
Oh,
Hold on. I
oh.
didn't catch that part.
Oh,
Yeah,
I didn't.
run that-
Oh, Judge, I didn't catch it either. Hold up. Hold up. Hold up. Hold up. Hold up. Hold up. We got, why do in my cases that I react to, there's some messiness going on. Hold on. So you got a baby by this woman here who works there. Her hours are reduced, but you married the woman who's the manager at your own restaurant? We got some messiness here. So you got the wife and the baby mama working together. Woo, boy, my tribe, y'all. Let me know what y'all think in the comment section here. Literally, we had a court case where the guy was messing with his ex's sister. So I guess, you know, with these situations, we want to keep it close and by. We're too busy, so we're going to grab the nearest woman next to us here. I don't know, man, but let's get back to the video. This is messy already, guys.
Stand by me again?
So he claims that the restaurant isn't doing so good.
Okay.
But I think the business is the same. It was just my hours that were reduced, so I had to pick up another job to make do.
Okay.
Okay, yeah, I want to point out here. Of course she's going to say that. She don't want her child support reduced. You know why? The hours were reduced at her job. She had to get a second job. So you know what that means? That's going to be less money in her pocket. Anytime that a man wants to take a woman's child support, get back to court to reduce that here, of course she's going to think things are fine. From her perspective, yeah, the restaurant's doing good. I still see the same amount of customers, just my hours were lowered, you know? So she got a little bone to pick here. So let's see what the judge is going to say here and what they're all going to say here. Let's get back to the video.
So you, him, and new wife all work together?
Yeah, well, I only work on the weekends now, but yeah.
I mean, it's okay. I mean, we all get along. We make things work.
You get
out
along, bruh?
for the family.
You make it work?
I mean, for the
Well,
better.
if that's the case, then you all wouldn't be here, right? Because you want a decrease. She's saying no. So you all get along?
I don't understand how it's supposed to pay something that I don't have, really.
Good point.
But she's saying the business hasn't changed. You're talking about in terms of customers coming in and
Yeah,
things like that?
yeah, I think that
So
I
since
think-
Corona
Money is
hit,
going
See that?
elsewhere.
since Corona hit, our business has took it's took a pretty much significant loss since Corona hit. Our customers.
I can believe that. You
Yeah.
know, that's happened to a lot of businesses.
So we've been trying to.
Before I let him continue here, that is a good point here. Anybody who's a restaurant owner, anybody that deals with goods and services where people have to come back and forth, the pandemic caused many businesses to slow down and even go under here, even to the point where the mother here is contradicting herself. She's saying, I think the business is doing good, but her hours were reduced. A good question would be, are other employees' hours getting reduced here? Because that's the case here, then he's proving his case here. One thing she can see is, I work here and things look the same. But she is going to say that, all right? As long as she don't have any proof, she doesn't have anything. So let's get back to the video and see what else is gonna be said here.
Recover from that, so her hours may just be from that.
Okay.
Yeah.
You don't think your hours got reduced because of COVID?
No,
Why
I'm
do
the
you think
strongest
you're-
server there
Why do you think your hours were reduced?
because his wife doesn't like me there.
Now she's cool with her.
Not when you're around.
Oh,
Oh,
messy.
I haven't seen
sounds a
that.
little messy.
That's what I'm saying,
I haven't
Judge.
seen that,
Look at Judge.
we don't I don't think just so far as business wise, we don't mix the business with the family. So far her hours, if anything, we gave her extra like 5-6 hours last week.
Okay.
Yeah,
Last week.
As the dishwasher.
hours.
So
Hold on.
you're saying no.
You see how women want to split hairs, guys? She was like, I was a dishwasher. He came back saying, there were hours. Here's the point. You're still getting paid your regular wage. You may not like the job that you were doing, but he's giving you the dollar amount, the way that you're being paid here. So you may not like it, but you're still getting yours. You see, that's a splitting hairs comment here that we see all the time in this tribe here, where people don't like the answer that was given to them, but facts are facts here. So let's get back to the video.
Oh, just based on you don't think that the business has changed or anything. Do you have any documentation that you brought with you today that shows his income has not decreased as he just testified to? He says $78,000 now, right?
Yeah.
Besides your belief, do you have any other reason to suggest that maybe he's not being truthful about what his income is?
Well, I just think
You just think,
like
hear it?
him having a new child, he doesn't want to support the child he already has to the extent that he can.
Okay.
And I feel like
I take care of all my kids.
I didn't say you don't, but you should.
You're insinuating.
Make sure that the one you already have is taken care of. And yeah, I think, yeah, just the support.
She's insinuating right there. Even though she said, no, I'm not saying that, she insinuated, because this new baby, you're not going to take care of your responsibilities. But this is what happens when you carry before you marry. Now you got a baby mama and baby daddy drama going on here right now. So now you're upset because the money that you got coming into you might be getting reduced here because he has another baby. That's what happens here. Another responsibility comes in for him. He has to take care of that. So that means that that's going to impact you. So ladies, can't be laying down with anybody. Don't care if it's your boss. Don't care how long y'all been together. Do not have a child if you're not planning on being together long term. You marry before you carry. You don't carry and then marry, because what we have here is many more cases of support court. Now, I know a lot of my men do not believe in marriage in this tribe section here, but if you're gonna have kids, that is the only way that you vet to have the right partner to make sure you do things right within a nuclear family. But if he's going around here just raw dogging, you're gonna be in the court here. That's all I'm saying. You're gonna be in the court if you're just gonna keep doing and being reckless here and having babies by multiple women or multiple men. Let's get back to the video.
Support is still needed.
Well, I don't think he's saying he doesn't want to support. He's saying he can't afford to support what it was.
Exactly, Judge.
And if the roles were reversed and you were in that situation, wouldn't you want him to consider what you're saying is true and possibly work with you and reduce your child support?
Yeah, that would be fair.
Okay. Well, I think that's fair too. So
That's
this
right,
is what
Judge.
we're going to do. Based on your
What we gonna do?
testimony, that your wages have decreased and you kind of alluded to, not that his wages necessarily decreased, but that the business is not doing so well because your hours have been reduced. We may not necessarily know the true reason why, according to what you're saying, but your hours were in fact reduced, right? Which could be a direct result of the business during the pandemic, okay? So this is what we're going to do. Based on your testimony, your new gross comes out to $6,500. That brings your net to $5,157, giving you credit for both of the children that you have, and I gave you credit for your health insurance, okay?
All
The
these
new
credits
health
here, guys.
insurance amount.
Listen to
So
that.
$400. I couldn't give you $600 because it's only for the children, okay? So with that, your new child support amount comes out to $825. Based on what you used to pay at that $100,000, your child support was $1,242. So it went down about $300 or so dollars.
So what about the what about the extra hours I was giving her? We're giving her a week.
What about them?
If we up the hours for her, would that lower my child support a little bit?
If we up her hours,
Yeah. So
You hear this?
So last week we gave her like an extra 6 hours.
Okay.
So what about if we gave her like maybe 12, 10?
this
Really,
has
dog?
nothing to do with her income. This is about yours.
You hear that? That is the problem with child support. It is about the man's income and not the woman's income. And I dropped a video today with the 5 ways of how to lower your child support with the lead attorney here. And when you hire an attorney, instead of trying to go on your own, the attorney can look at her finances. The attorney can look at the job that she's making, even though that he supports her in the sense that he's the boss in that organization, in that restaurant, and if she got another job, he can go ahead and get the necessary legal paperwork to find out what she makes. And then prior to going there, if he's gonna say, you know what, if you're gonna give her more hours, let's just wait and then see how much she makes, and then we can figure out the support as it go, because that's his job to figure out how much he would get. He seems a little shocked about the $300 reduction and then want to give her more hours. See how that works here? We're not professionals. We don't know the law. We only know so many things that we Google online. A professional would have found this out and sat them down in the office before they got in the courtroom. Let's continue here.
Okay.
Why would you want her working more to decrease your child support?
So she can make more money to help
Pay
me
for
out.
his other baby.
See, now you starting to waste my time. Don't do that.
You hear that? The judge don't like this,
do it.
guys. She a cool
You
judge,
have a
but
legitimate reason to be here, and you have a legitimate request. Don't be ugly, okay?
Right.
Okay. Do you have any other questions?
So that's the financial. For the
Yeah, bruh.
800.
That's what I said, right? I said it went from $1,242 to $825.
But that's like $300 though.
Yeah, but it's giving you credit for the children that you already have, giving you credit for health insurance. What else could you
Dog,
be asking for?
don't do
That's
it.
all I can do.
Fall
within
back, bruh.
the
Fall
rules
back.
of
I
the
got a
law.
new baby.
And I took that into consideration, which is why your percentage is 16%.
So I'm supposed to pay $800 a month. That's 12 times 12.
$825 to be exact a month.
oh my
are
God,
you
y'all. Yeah, what are you doing?
That's 9,000. That's 9,900 a month. How much?
Okay. You were paying $1,242. Do you want me to increase it back?
Nah, it's cool.
Oh, okay. So you don't have any more questions, right?
Nah, it's cool. So
Okay.
800.
$800, bro.
$825.
You hear that,
All
y'all?
right. Nothing further?
That's it.
The answer is no, right?
Yeah.
Because your child support got reduced. You got what you were looking for, right? Okay. Anything further from you? No. Okay. If there's nothing further, you all are dismissed.
Oh, that's the end of the video. That ending got a little messy here. I brought this video to the tribe here on purpose. there's a rhyme and reason for the way I'm scheduling my videos out. If you're checking this out today live here or during this week here, you notice that I dropped an earlier video regarding the lead attorney on how to lower your child support. So this goes hand in hand with this video here because he came in to lower his support here. And what did he do here that the lead attorney stated? If you haven't got a chance, go check it out. But one of the points he said was, don't be stupid. That's number 5. But what was number 1? There's other steps here. But number 1 is hire an attorney. I'm going to keep repeating that here. If you don't hire an attorney, you're going to do things that is going to be not to your benefit, and you're going to do something stupid like these questions that he was asking here, and that's going to get the judge irritated. We do not know the law, guys. We know that the system is set up against us. The lead attorney even broke down the fact that they will look at what we make before they look at what she makes here. And even though the judge found to be, she does good in her court cases of trying to be as fair as possible with these situations here, she only went after his dollar amount, what he made. She didn't really go into detail about what she made or in that nature here. So, hire an attorney. Don't be stupid. Do the right things because we do not know the law. And if we don't know the law and it's against us, we need to hire a professional that can help us every step of the way so that even though it is against us, we can pick up the credits or be in a favorable standing with the judge so that it doesn't look like we're a Pookie and Ray Ray. Because obviously here, he has made the right decision to lower because he has another kid, but we have to remember who we're laying down with and the people that we deal with so that we're making the right decisions here. So tribe here, I just want you guys to understand the court system is something else. Do not have hubris. Do not think that you can go ahead and do your own homework and figure it out on your own. You can't. Maybe take a few extra days or take a second job to stack up your coin, or there are divorce lawyers who are affordable. The point is, do not go on your own understanding. Hire somebody. If your car is having issues, you take it to the shop. If you're feeling sick or you're not feeling well, you go to the doctor, you go to the hospital. So if there's a problem in your marital arrangements, hire the lawyer and save yourself the headache of probably going tens of thousands in the hole compared to maybe a couple of thousand that lawyer may be able to help you out here. Comment, like, subscribe, click on that bell notification below. Let me know what you think about this video here, about the judge decision, about the couple here when they came to court here. But until next time, I'm that dude named Dave. See y'all later, YouTube world.